Now, how to use mixed playlist on Spotify. Adding transition to your playlist. Here I'm going to show you step by step to do it on Spotify. So watch this tutorial to the end to know everything. Here I will show you how to turn your Spotify Crossfade feature to make it look like DJ, or to make it mix your playlist like perfect. Now here to do it, what you do now is to open your Spotify like this. You can see I've opened my own. Here you can see. Now here what you do is to tap on your icon, profile icon here. Now here what you do now is to click on this settings and privacy here. Now here what you do now is to click on this playback here. Now here you can see gasless playback. Make sure this toggle is on like this. Make sure it's on. Now here you can see auto mix. Now here make sure this toggle is on. Now here you can see crossfade. Now here what you do now is to set it like this. Make sure you set it to 5 or 8 seconds for smoother blending. Here you can see. Now here you have set it so that if you are playing music on your playlist, it will change like transition as if DJ is changing it. If you don't know how to make mixed up playlists on Windows or Mac, here I will show the step on the screen. You can see the step on the screen. Follow this step and set it up. Now here also the best Spotify sound settings. Here let's go to the equalizer. Here you can see equalizer. Now click on the equalizer and click on OK like this. Now here make sure you set it on FX booster or on pop. Here you can see pop. Now click on pop. Make sure you set it in these two things, FX booster or pop. Make sure it's in these two things. Here I will use FX booster. Now here make sure this toggle is on like this. Now here go back here. Now let's go to audio quality. Now here go back by clicking on this back facing arrow on the top here, or click your back navigation. Now here click on media quality here. Now here make sure you set this feature on Wi-Fi. Here you can see very high, you can see Lossless. You can see you can only access this feature if you are subscribed to the premium package. You can see you can click on very high or you can click on Lossless. Here you can see and set it up, but you can use this feature if you have subscribed to the premium version. You can see here. Now here the benefit of setting it on Lossless is that it will make the playback sound more energetic, but you can also access the Lossless feature like this by clicking on this back facing arrow, but this is based on trial. Here by clicking on this back facing arrow here and then click on this playback here. Now slide down till you reach here volume normalization. You can see. Now here make sure you set this on, make sure this toggle is on. It is also like a Lossless audio, but it's not fully Lossless audio. That's how to use a pre-Lossless audio, but the best is for you to subscribe to the premium package and then use the Lossless audio fully. I will have tested my playlist, but based on copyright issue I won't go there. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section. That's how to mix your playlist on Spotify and also add a transition to your playlist. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.